Hello, and this is GIS Downware, and today I'd like to demo how to use ArcPy, ESRI ArcPy, to convert an access database table into Oracle database. So I have the Alberta land title municipal access database. In this database, there are 14 tables, access tables. Okay, now I have done this already, so I just show you. I create at least user and collect to the Oracle database, and then those are 14 tables and from the access database. So how can I do this? So okay, first I create a user called Atlas and create a table space, Atlas table space. I use that table space, and after creating Atlas user, I grant those privilege to the Atlas. So, and then I build this collection in the Oracle database by using ArcCatalog. And the important thing is I have to build a OLE DB collection to the access database. So this is OLE DB collection to the 14 access tables. Okay, now after all this setup, I just wrote a very short Python script. This Python script, you have to have ArcPy, and build a collection to the Oracle database. And first to check if the 14 table already in the Oracle database. So if it is already in the database, and just use ArcPy delete those 14 table. And after that, we use the ArcPy table to geodatabase and conversion access table to Oracle table. So here is from source is the OLE DB collection, and this is Oracle database collection. So convert that 14 access table to Oracle table. So we can that is okay. The last one just grant privilege. We can use ArcPy, grant privilege, change privilege management, grant a privilege, and let other user to see the table. So here I grant this web user role, and so that web user can see the 14 tables. So let's run. Okay, I need to pause my video now. Okay, it's done. Okay, then open the log file. Okay, so this is log file. So first, it finds the table in the Oracle database, it deletes them, and then it copy or convert from access database to the Oracle table. So, and last, it just grant privilege let web user to view the table. Okay, now when I open it in ArcCatalog, Okay, you can see this 14 table here. Right, now let's open one property. Okay, when this is the only one difference you can see here. When it converts from access table to Oracle table by ArcPy, it will add an object ID field. That's the only difference. And okay, so I think that's it. And because I'm using a free software to record this video, and I have to finish it within 10 minutes. So if you have any question, and please leave message under this video. I will get back to you and as soon as I can. So let's open this Python script again. So this is the Python script you just need to use and to get this done. Okay, so that's it, and thank you very much, and have a good day. See you next time. Bye.